So we are going up.
문이 열립니다.
So here's our room. This is the entrance, and just after you entering the room, you can see the restroom. And here's a mirror, some hangers, towels, hair dryer, and a safety box. Slippers. So here's the main bedroom. It's a standard double bedroom. Blackout curtains. My husband and my baby, Awiza. Awiza, baby, say hi. Good job. And we have a flat screen TV here. It's nice. The sitting place is quite nice though. So we have some stuff here, some tea, some coffee. And a kettle. There's some forks over there. Oh, that's my bag and my mask. Now we have a refrigerator over here. We have some water here. So this room is for ironing your stuff, I guess. So this is like a huge safe for us because it's raining outside and all of our clothes are wet, so we put this here for like a 1.5 hours. So here's the restroom. We have a bathtub here. It's a see-through glass to the bedroom. So we have a mirror and some toiletries over here. Let's see what we have. We have lotion, shower gel, conditioner and shampoo, soap, and we have a toilet over here. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to provide another video of our tour and a glimpse into where we have been. See you soon. Bye.